Welcome to Kids Learning Center.
Hello kids. In this video, we will learn alphabet. A.
A.
B.
B.
C.
C.
D.
D.
E.
E.
F.
F.
G.
G.
H.
H.
Red color.
Red color.
Orange color.
Orange color.
Yellow color.
Yellow color.
Blue color.
Blue color.
Green color.
Green color.
Purple color.
Purple color.
Pink color.
Pink color.
Brown color.
Brown color.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for doll.
D for doll.
E for egg.
E for egg.
The farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell.
F for frog.
F for frog.
The farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
G for glass.
G for glass.
The child. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child
H for hat.
takes the nurse.
H for hat. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. Thank you. See you soon.